Alright, so this is an enclosed trailer door. Customer says it's falling apart. Yeah, I think it is. So we'll be fixing this baby up today. Alright, taking this bottom piece of trim off. Then we'll have to pull this skin up and off to see what's going on. Alright, we got the top skin off. Okay, set this aside. Outside skin. So we just gotta get a new piece of glue on, glue it down, and put it back together. Now this is gonna be fun. I gotta separate this old waterlogged Luan from this face of that door. And yeah, she is glued pretty good. You can see it stretching in there. Alright, now we got to trace out this door frame and make some cuts so we can glue this all together.
Now we got the plywood cut out to the size that we need. I have to trim the edges thinner because this wood is actually thicker than the wood that they used from the factory. So it's going to be a little bit more of a stable build.
Alright, got all the sides trimmed down.
Now I'm using a flap disc to remove all the old glue and whatever's left over of the old wood off of the project. So here I didn't show it, but I glued the wood to the foam board, let it sit overnight to cure. I didn't get to film too much anything else, but after this dried, I had to put the black front cover, glue that down onto the wood, and then put all of the side trims back on. And there you go, brand new door.